So 10th A class, once again, good morning. And today our lecture is the use of frame and rules attribute in the table tag. Okay. Starting with HTML tag, head tag, title. Already these are the basic tags. Here I close the head tag. I am giving the body BG color today as aqua, or let it be white. Let it remain white. Table border, I am taking size 4. Border color, I am taking blue, right? Width of the table, I am taking 250. Today we are going to study the new attribute of table tag that is called frame. What is the role of frame attribute? Frame attribute is used to make the settings for the external border of the table. How to display the external border of the table? That is the border which is around the table, not the border inside the table. I mean, जो border table के बाहर है, right? So frame attribute deals with the setting of external border of the table. It has 9 possible values. So let us study each value one by one. First value is above. The first value of frame attribute is above. By above, we mean the border will appear only on the top side, not on the left, not on the right, not at the bottom. Only at the top side of the table, the border will be appearing, right? So here I'm taking the row. My first row, I'm taking the name of color red. Next, I'm taking color yellow. Next, I'm taking color green. Right? Here, I close my first row. I copy paste this. Now, in the second row, I'm taking the name of first 3 days of week. And in the third row, I am taking the name of first 3 months. Okay. And here I close the table tag. Here I close the body tag. And finally, I close the HTML tag. Clear? Now, entire data of the table is centrally aligned. The entire data of the table is centrally aligned. I save this table frame 10th A dot HTML. Let us see the browser view. And this is our browser view. I increase the zoom level. Carefully see, the border is coming only on the top side. फर्स्ट रो के टॉप पे देखो, एक लाइन दिख रही है. If I increase the size of the border, let it be 5. Carefully see the line at the top of the first row. That is, the border is appearing only on the top. This is the value above of frame attribute. Now, if I give the value below. I am giving the value below. Okay. See, the border is appearing at the bottom side. लास्ट रो के बाद देखो आपको बॉर्डर दिखेगा. The border is appearing at the bottom side. Okay, clear? Third value, LHS. LHS stand for left hand side. LHS stands for left hand side. The border will be appearing on the left side. See the left side. रेड सन और जनवरी जो फर्स्ट कॉलम है, फर्स्ट कॉलम के पीछे देखो एक वर्टिकल लाइन दिख रही है. द बॉर्डर इज अपेयरिंग ओनली ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड. नेक्स्ट इज RHS. RHS is right hand side. The border will be appearing on the right hand side. See, the border has come on the right hand side. Clear? Then the next value is box. The border will be appearing around all the four sides. Border has appeared around all the four sides. Am I clear? The next value is border. The value border and the value box, they are same. The only difference is border is the default value of frame attribute. If you are not giving the frame attribute, by default, the value is border. Right? And remember one thing, whenever you are using the frame attribute, it is compulsory to specify the border attribute also of the table. Frame and rules attribute, they are used along with the border attribute. Okay. Now next is H sides. H sides means horizontal sides. H sides means horizontal sides. The border will be appearing on the top as well as on the bottom. ऊपर और नीचे. See, the border is on the top and on the bottom. The border is not appearing on the left or on the right. Right? Let us try to view the browser view in Internet Explorer. See here, here the vision is more clear. Here the vision is more clear. Am I clear? On the top and on the bottom, this is H sides. Next value is V sides, vertical sides. When I am giving the value V sides, the border will be appearing on the left and on the right side. The border will be appearing on the left and on the right side of the table. See, the border is appearing on the left and on the right side. Next value is void. Now void means no border, nowhere, no external border, neither on the top, neither on the bottom, neither at the left nor at the right. No external border anywhere, any side. See here. Have you noticed all the possible values of frame attribute? Those who are clear with the concept, raise your thumb immediately. I can get to know how many are attending the lecture. Ravneet, 37 roll number. Your thumb is not raised. Jayaditya, Rahul, Karanjot Singh. Your thumbs are not raised. Karanjot Singh. Karanjot Singh, 25 roll number. Aryansh, your thumb is not raised. Gursevak, Gurkirat, sorry. Divita, Tanushka, Arpit Singh. Why your thumbs are not raised? Divita, 13 roll number. Japjot, Garima, Naina, Japjot Singh. Are you here in the class? Karanjot Singh. I think he is not attending the lecture. Prabgun, mark Karanjot absent. He is not giving response. Just the name is visible. Now he has raised his hand after 5 times the name is announced. All right. Now let us proceed with the next attribute, that is rules attribute. Now rules attribute is the attribute that deals with the setting of internal border of the table. Okay. The first value of rules is rows. The border will be appearing across the rows, only rows, and pay attention on the internal side of the table. You will see change in the internal setting of the table. See carefully. Don't see the outside border. See the border which is in the internal side. Only after every row you will see the border. After every row you will see the border. Red, yellow, green, one row completed, one border. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, second row completed, then again border. Okay. Next value is cols. COLS, cols. The border will be appearing across columns. See here. Red, Sun, Jan. This is the first column. Red, Sun, Jan, first column, then border. Yellow, Monday, February, second column, then again border. Have you noticed, all of you? Then the next value of rules attribute is groups. Now, what is the meaning of groups? No border either row wise, no border column wise. The entire data of the table is represented as a whole complete group. See carefully. You will notice no border around rows, no border across columns. The entire data is appearing as a complete group. Then next value of rules attribute is all. All means border row wise as well as column wise. The normal table. Am I clear? 10th A class. Aditya Sharma, concept is clear to you? Roll number 2. Next value is none. None and group almost same. None and group's value is almost same. No value around row. No border around the row and no border around the column. Clear? Am I clear up till here? Now, let us see the role of both frame and rules in one table. I am taking frame equal to LHS and rules I am taking calls. Let us see the figure that will come. See, LHS means the border is appearing only on the left. See the blue color border only appearing on the left. And next I have given only calls. Calls means the value, the border appearing only after column. Okay. If I change the value V sides, see, have you noticed? So whichever figure comes, looking at the figure, you have to finalize which value of frame and which value of rules we have to use. ये आपको उस टाइम अपना दिमाग चलाना पड़ेगा कि मैं कौन सी ऐसी वैल्यू लूं कि टेबल का स्ट्रक्चर ऐसा आए. Got it? Now shifting over to the next concept, that is the merging of rows or column wise. Right? Merging means combining two or more cells into one. When two or more cells, they combine together and create one cell, that is called merging. Now this merging can be row wise or it can be column wise. If the merging is row wise, it is in vertical direction. If the merging is column wise, it is in the horizontal direction. So in order to have this merging feature, we use two special attributes, row span and col span. Remember one important point in the initial stage. Row span and col span are only and only the attribute of TD and TH tag. ये दोनों एट्रीब्यूट टेबल में नहीं आते, ये दोनों एट्रीब्यूट टीआर में नहीं आते. रो स्पैन और कॉल स्पैन, they are the only attributes of TD and TH tag. Let us first of all study the role of row span. Row span means two or more cells combining row wise in the vertical direction. Right? Now see the figure over here. I just show the normal table to you. Then I'll explain the role of row and row span. First cell of first row. Now start thinking mathematically. Just pay attention on the figure on the browser display. First cell which I have shaded of the first row, it get combined with the first cell of the second row. Just imagine, पहली रो का पहला सेल अगर ये कंबाइन हो जाए सेकेंड रो के पहले सेल के साथ, तो कितने सेल स्पैन हुआ? 2। 2 सेल मर्ज हो गए ना, पहली रो का पहला सेल, दूसरी रो का पहला सेल, तो 2 सेल मर्ज हो गए. And see the merging, it is coming down, it is coming down, vertically down. Then if first cell of second row has been merged with the first cell of the first row, how many cells will be there in the second row? How many TD tag you will take in the second row if the first cell of second row has already combined with the first cell of the first row? Who will tell? Second row में कितने TD आएंगे, कितने cell आएंगे? Think mathematically. Yes, Khushi?
Sir, 2.
Very correct. 2 cells. Very correct. 2 cells. See here carefully what change I'm going to make in the coding. Click on the TD. I say row span and col span are only in TD and TH. Click on the first TD cell of the first row. Row span equal to 2. जितनी वैल्यू दोगे उतने सेल कंबाइन हो जाएंगे. Row span equal to 2. Red. Now this red cell, that is the first cell of the first row, is to be merged with the first cell of the second row. तो ये तो यहां से निकल ही गया. सेकेंड रो का फर्स्ट सेल फर्स्ट रो के फर्स्ट सेल से कंबाइन हो गया. सो आई इरेडिकेट द फर्स्ट सेल ऑफ द सेकेंड रो. See the change. Have you noticed? 10th A. Is it clear to everyone in the class? Yes. Now let us go with the let us combine 3 cells. Let us combine 3 cells. Row span equal to 3. Now which cell I have to eliminate? Who will tell? If I say row span 3, which cell I have to eliminate? Yes, Prabgun.
Sir, the cell containing the value Jan.
Very right. The cell containing the value January, it will get eliminate. See, is the concept clear of row span? All right. I get back to the normal table again. I write the deleted cells again. Okay. TD, Jan, and TD here. Let us see the concept of call span. Let us go with the concept of call span. Call span means 2 or more cells combine horizontally. अगर येलो सेल ग्रीन के साथ मर्ज हो जाए तो ये कॉल स्पैन होगा. कितने कॉलम स्पैन हुआ? 2 कॉलम. इसमें रो चेंज नहीं हो रही, रो वही है. If second cell of first row is combined horizontally with the third cell of the first row, How many TDs will come in the first row? 2. One for the red, one for the yellow. Let us see. Call span equal to 2. So green cell got eliminate. Green cell got eliminate. See here. Is the concept clear to everyone? Is the concept clear totally? Now this was the case of call span. आप यहीं से देख लो, मेरा माउस हॉरिजॉन्टली मूव कर रहा है यहां पे, तो it will give a clue to you that when we are moving horizontally, that is the case of call span, because it is spanning across columns. Second column, third column. This is second column, Monday and February. This is third column, Tuesday and March. Clear? What if we are having row span and call span in one table? Row span equal to 2. First cell of second row combines with the first cell of third row. See here carefully. Clear? Last concept. I want to create a header row. और हेडर रो में लिखा आए डाटा, DATA, सिर्फ डाटा लिखा आए पूरी हेडर रो में. What I mean is TR BG color equal to aqua, TH header row. I told you header row is always bold and centrally aligned. Call span equal to 3. Why 3? Why the value has been taken 3? Because there are 3 columns. There were 3 columns. और मेरा क्वेश्चन क्या है? सिर्फ डाटा लिखा आए पूरे सेल में. अगर तीनों के तीनों सेल कॉलम वाइज मर्ज होंगे तो ही वो डाटा लिखा आएगा ना. And here I close the TR tag. Now see carefully. Got it? Now see the appearance of data. It is bold. It is centrally aligned. And the background color of the header row is aqua. AQUA. Now you can very well imagine how many cells column wise it has span. कितने कॉलम स्पैन होके वो आगे गया? 3 कॉलम्स. फर्स्ट कॉलम रेड सन, then Monday February second column, Tuesday March third column. Yellow cell is already call span with 2 columns. Yellow cell is already span column wise across 2 columns. Clear? Am I totally clear up till here? The concept of row span, call span is totally clear 10th है.